learn about India political. The social fourth lesson. What is the lesson, children? India political. See, India is the most populated country in the world. It has a population of more than 100 crores. It has a population of more than 100 crores. So the people of the country have to be looked after and protected by the government. Government. What is government? Government is a group of people who decide how a country will function. What is government, children? A government is a group of people who decide how a country will function. In a big country like India, it is difficult for a single government to solve the problems over all the country people. So to solve the problems of the people over the country. Therefore, the government has been divided into the two levels. What are the two levels, children? First one is the central government and the state government. Let us discuss about them. The central government. Central government works at the central level with its main offices in Delhi. The President, Prime Minister, Vice President and other ministers of central government lives in Delhi and work for the progress of welfare of the whole nation. What is the role of central government, children? Central government works at the central level and the Prime Minister, Ministers, Vice President, President and other ministers of the central level government lives in Delhi and work for the progress and welfare of the whole nation. Okay. Next, the state government. State government. India is divided into smaller parts called states and union territories. India is divided into smaller parts called states and union territories. There are 28 states. Each state has its own government that looks after the welfare and progress of its state. Each state is its own government that looks after the welfare and progress of its state. Okay, among the states, Rajasthan is the biggest state and Goa is the smallest state in area. Okay, union territories. What are union territories? Union territories are smaller parts which directly they were under the control of the central government. There are 8 union territories. How many union territories, children? There are 8 union territories. What are the 8 union territories? Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman Diu, Delhi, Lakshadweep, Pondicherry, Jammu and Kashmir. These are the 8 union territories in our country. So that is the India political, children. Okay, now here's in our booklet, see the right answers is there and fill in the blanks also is there. Once we discuss, children, see first one. How many states does India have? How many states does India have? 28. See, tick the option C. Next, how many union territories does India have? How many union territories does India have? I told you, children, 7 union territories. 7. So 7 is the right option. Next, third one. Which is the largest state in India? Which is the largest state in India? Goa, Rajasthan or Madhya Pradesh? Rajasthan is the largest state. Next page, see, children, fill in the blanks. Here options is there in the box. See. First one, blank, see. India has a population of more than dash crores. How many crores, children? More than 100 crores. The first blank is 100. Next, the central government has its main offices in dash. Where the central government offices are located? In Delhi. Delhi. See, options also is there in the box. Next, third one. Dash is the smallest state in area. Which is the smallest state, children? Goa. Goa is the smallest state in the area. G-O-A, Goa. Goa is the smallest state. What is the biggest? Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the biggest state. Okay, children. This is the lesson. Next, I will send you union territories and states with capitals with this video. So, you practice that. Okay. We will meet in next video. Until then, bye.